Hello everybody. So first of all, I wanted to show the box that I did yesterday with my alterations. So it spins back and forth. Now, I made this one really loose. I don't remember but also if you look at the way. So I'm thinking that the foam, see all the wiggle in there? The foam is just not sturdy enough. We need something, maybe if I had put like 2 down, or maybe a bigger piece. But that's as easy as this is moving. I would see, look, it just came off because the foam is not sturdy enough. And I put liquid glue on there too, didn't I? I was sure I did. So backwards, it goes this way. Anyways, it turns nicely now though when, yeah, see, it's just not enough. So I would just cut up a bunch of paper and stack it and do that, because this is just too weak. We might have to do that. Right, and then of course my Spellbinders haul. This is a crap kit. I got all this stuff from the other day. I haven't really straightened or cleaned or anything yet, so it is a club. Okay. At least it's a club box. Anyways, let's... Oh yeah, okay, now I remember I've seen this on Rihanna's channel. So, look at that pretty color. Pearl white, that's gonna make some pretty ones. And then we have the snowflake. I might even do like a blue and then a mix of sun. Maybe I'll do a video doing these wax seals, because I think that'll be pretty. Okay, press plate. Christmas haul and all occasions. So there's hello, thank you, and happy birthday. Okay. We have a stencil kit. Holly berries, holly leaves on the same stencil, see? Is this the extra like bonus gift? I wonder if that is too. It says better press of the month for July. This works with the glimmer of the month. Okay, and then the regular stencils, so you can make that. Let me show you. I get them out. So we got the bow and the other bow. So that makes sense. You can do this in one color and then come in and do another color. So it's, I guess I'm trying to say it's a layerable. And then you also have a mask. So if you don't want, if you want it to be the lower color, if I sound like it's because it looks like the clouds are really dark out there right now. Okay, we have leaves. We have the inside of the leaves and berries, I think. So those are our stencils. And let me put this back in. There we go. For the better press, this is what I think I'm very excited for. It's Christmas haul. And look. And then we have a tree, a die for a tree. Maybe snow. And there. And then these plates. So these other plates go in there too. So there we go. That's the better press. And then Joyful Holly. This is the glimmer. And then it cuts out, and then the stencils. Right there. So this would go there, and you could stencil in your colors. Okay, stamp of the month. So it's all Christmas, no peeking from Santa, from all of us. Just some sentiments, and Stamp and Die has the words in that for the other smaller ones here. Okay. This is the stitched monthly one. That might be really, really pretty. All right. Then we have the small die of the month. Look at that, that's cute. Look at the lace and the bow. Really nice. I like it. Look at that picture. And there's florals here too. It looks like poinsettia. Yeah, I wonder what those other ones are. These ones right here. All right. And then the large die of the month. Snow-capped holidays, and it's big old birdhouse. Look at that. Look at all that on there. That is so pretty. So you could do as detailed as you want. Where are the birds? Oh. There's one bird. There's two birds. So you have to figure that out, I guess. There might be instructions inside that show you, but yeah, you have to figure it out. It's got it right here, see? Good. And then we have the embossing folder of the month with the, it says Hexy Snowflake. That's pretty much describes it. So there we go. And then 3D embossing folder of the month is some branches with holly, pine cones, and berry. And that shows you what it, if you can see that, it's kind of light. And then the glimmer color. Oh. It's it looks almost like a champagne gold, but it's got aura, A-U-R-A. See, it's a very that, but then it's, I don't know if you can see down here, it's like I'm trying to cut some of the color off, but it's like a champagne. Can you see that? No, not really. Okay, but it's very pretty color. I like that color a lot. All right, everybody, that is the Spellbinders kits of the month, and I will be this week doing videos on these. All right, everybody, I hope you have a blessed day. If you like my video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you join me again. Bye-bye now.